Luc Bouchard here, and this is today's Forgiveness Declaration card draw and reduction. I forgive myself for believing that I am smarter than God. Free will can be a bitch. When we separated from God, we did so because we thought we could do it better than Him, that we were somehow smarter. But all we have to do is be willing to see things differently and surrender the ego to the Holy Spirit. Have you joined with Spirit yet today? It is free will that we have that keeps us there, that affords us the ability to make choices, and it is that free will that that we thought that we tapped into when we started perceiving things, and we thought that somehow our perception was more correct than God's. The first of my understanding of it is that the first form of separation is that when we started perceiving things, and perception is really a subjective as to what you're seeing, right? Like it's of the body, it's perceptions of the body of the earth, whereas knowing there is when truth and knowing is solid, there is no perception to it. It's just the way it is. And so we have to stop and ask for help, and because when we don't ask for help, that's because we think we have to do it by ourselves. This image, well, if there's any indication that we are not smarter than God, it's looking at this spectacular flower and the details. And I'm not sure what this is, but it is, we can't do anything like this. And if we think we can outdo God, then all we have to do is look around us in the real world and see nature and the things that have been created and the wonderment of it. I'm Luc Bouchard. Thanks so much for watching this video. And, if you are struggling to get through life, it's probably because you're separated and not connected to God. And just come into your center and meditate, or just be still and just ask to see it differently, and ask to have your burden your smartness burden taken from your shoulders, because you're not. None of us are.